A breakdown of this equipment meant a work stoppage in the entire site, which I could not allow to happen. So I started looking for a peltizer, and I thought I would find the necessary equipment right away. First I compared peltizer manufacturers in Europe and China. I conducted my search by the internet. I chose by location, delivery time, and price category. Among the quality manufacturers in Europe, I found 3 companies that offered good machines, but asked for a very high price, which did not include the customs clearance procedure. I understood that the management would not approve the chosen peltizer, and would send me to search again, because of the high cost. Then I looked for equipment from Chinese manufacturers. There were more options here. I sent emails to them indicating which machine I was considering as an option to 4 equipment companies in China. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced for 5 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. The period of 5 months did not satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our people speak Chinese. I didn't want to spend time and money on an interpreter, so it was decided not to buy a car from a Chinese manufacturer. I realized that I could not solve the problem of purchasing a peltizer on my own, so I decided to turn to a specialist intermediary. I had an idea what kind of machine I needed, so I only paid attention to the reliability of the company. On the internet I chose several intermediaries, 1 from China, 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites. Of great importance in choosing a specialist was the length of time they had been working in the market for the supply of pharmaceutical equipment, positive customer feedback, and the relevance of the prices. First I called a Chinese mediator. His price for the machine was lower than the others. I received a response from the manager, who specified that the price did not include customs clearance, delivery and installation of equipment. The total amount for the machine was much more than presented on the site. I was not satisfied. Then I studied the Russian company's website more closely. I looked at the prices and the terms of delivery, but I was alerted to the fact that this company also supplies shoes and crockery from China. I wanted to find a specialist in whom I would be confident, who would supply me with a quality peltizer and would not delay the delivery of equipment. The last option of intermediaries I decided to check thoroughly. I checked the company in the database of entrepreneurs in Russia for litigation for the period of activity, read the feedback from customers about this company. In the list of companies under liquidation the company was listed, and I found only positive reviews. I have checked the website of the company. I liked it, modern, structured, with a lot of videos. Having called the manager, I received a good advice on the desired equipment. The specialist offered me my requirements for dry granulation of powder, and sent me a detailed instruction by email, where I could study the possibilities and characteristics of the machine. I liked his businesslike and professional approach. I was satisfied with the delivery terms and price, and a week later we concluded a contract for the supply of a dry powder granulator. The equipment was delivered within a month after the contract was signed, and we were able to quickly set up and start production of a drug for the treatment of throat diseases. The machine was made of quality stainless steel. The peltizer ensured the production of pellets in the form of grits. I would like to point out that I told the manager about the problem of the machine breaking down in a related area. He advised me of a good adjuster and repairman who we were already working with, and were pleased with the results. I realized that I made the right choice of a professional to supply the equipment. Real professionals pay attention to detail, and I was lucky to find such a person when choosing equipment.